स्मार्ट सिटी वरवीं फकत 4 स्मार्ट जाले म्हूण उपकारना, जाल्यार स्मार्ट सिटींतले लोकूय तितलेच स्मार्ट आसपाक जाय अशें मत पणजेचो आमदार आनी कामगार मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी व्यक्त केलां. रस्ते खणून उडोवप्यांचेर भौशीक बांदकाम खात्यान कारवाय करप गरजेचें, तशेंच येरादारी पुलिशेन पर्यटकांक तालाव दीत बसच्या परस रस्त्यार जी येरादारी कोयणी जाता तो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाचेर लक्ष घालचें अशें मंत्री म्हणटा.
Smart city is coming up with a smart road. Now how smart that road is that we will see now. So that is the reason I am saying that the road should not be smart and the people should not be left behind. Most importantly, our flooding is a major issue here. That the issue should be taken care of. So afterwards, whatever one department blames the other. So I said let all the departments sit together and coordinate. So that these hurdles should not come in future. I am saying the PWD should take care of it. PWD basically who gives permission to dig the roads is the PWD. PWD should basically see that whatever works are to be done, they should have done the works earlier. It is PWD's job that. I am not blaming anyone, but they should know what is their responsibility. Traffic police is in place. I have been discussing with the traffic inspector now and then. But I see sometimes whenever I go around, 4-5 police constables are there in one corner only, just giving challenge and catching tourists. Nothing more than that. They are here basically to solve the traffic problems in the city, but they are not doing that.